Go home happy with the 2023 Honda Odyssey. Look forward to even the most ordinary outings when you drive this sleek, comfortable Odyssey. Its smart tech keeps you safe and connected, while its thoughtful interior features assure a relaxing, peaceful passenger experience. It's so powerful and nimble that you may forget you're driving a minivan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.